I think the festival is going on beautifully. It was a brilliant effort. I think there was diversity of opinion and people got to express themselves in a free-flowing manner. The variety of subjects covered is excellent and the choice of panelists is indeed refreshing. It was a pleasure to be here and I'm very thrilled with my session.
Because they have organized it so well. Everything is, especially for the first time. And I just came back from the Times Lit Festival, which is the 6th edition. And it's almost on par with that. It's wonderful. You will get more crowds soon. And it's so well organized. It's very well done. Very good, speakers, very good questions. And I think these kind of literary festivals are so important. And I'm so happy and privileged to be part of the first one. I'm very happy and I want to congratulate everyone on this. Very, very good job.
It's fantastic. That's why I'm over here this time around. I think a LitFest is very important to bring a city together, to evolve the culture of a city, to involve the character of a city. LitFests are very important. People don't realize that very often, but I'm glad that Raisoni, the university and the people behind it have realized that this is something that they can give back to society. So it's wonderful to be here. We're hoping to have interesting conversations today about food and tomorrow. We'll be here for 2 days. So I'm looking forward to that and many congratulations. This is a good first step. I hope this will carry on for the years to come and grow bigger and better and people will become more involved and I'm looking forward to that.
Well, I think it's a great initiative. I'm very happy to be a part of it because when I saw the entire program, I realized that literature kind of touches so many aspects of our life, and all those aspects, whether it is performing arts, whether it is talking about what are the ills of the society, whether it is quest of knowledge, the written word is at the base of it. So it's a very, very remarkable beginning, and I hope that it continues in future.
It's a very welcome thing that this Orange City Festival has started, because there is a need with digital era to go back to books, because digital era and it has changed people's behavior, it has changed people's psychology, and they are going away from themselves, they are going away from their own loved dear ones, near and dear ones, they are going away from families. So there is a need to go back to literature and relearn certain basic things of humanity as a society. So I think it's a wonderful thing and I welcome it.
That's a great initiative for this city, and we've had one session and it's been fantastic. The response has been good and just happy to be here.
It's a wonderful occasion and people from all walks of life have gathered here. So students, even where to listen, what to listen. After the sessions, I'm feeling as if I have come to an ocean of knowledge. So every session is important. I have, in fact, mark listed all the sessions 1, 2, 3, 4, where from from this room to that room. So it's a wonderful occasion.
Once you say literature, that is been a community work. Literature, it will be remain. It can change the mindset of people. When I came here, I see the panelists, I saw the speakers, very different people was there. From different entire world people was there. So what is, that is a brainstorming for you, that is your cleaning your mindset. So this type of festival should be there. I'm so happy and I feel blessed that I got the opportunity to speak as a speaker in this event.